Hi everyone, I'm so excited again this year to announce the awesome opportunity to revise economics with me in A-level revision workshops to master everything that comes with learning economics. And this year I'm going even crazier than ever before with 2 workshops in London and 1 workshop in Birmingham all over the Easter holidays to reach as many of you as possible, giving you guys 3 options to attend a workshop this year. And boy, I am really gonna go for it, making sure that we master content, exam technique, writing skills, application, diagrams, but also all the exam secrets, tips and guidance that I know will be shared. It's going to be absolutely amazing. These workshops will be completely delivered by me, and together with the videos on my channel, my analysis and evaluation packs, and my brand new examples for exam pack, you have absolutely everything that you need to perfect your study of economics and to hit those very high marks in your final exam. And yes, these packs are absolutely available to get. You just need to go through my website and you'll be able to easily get them from there. But don't just take my word for it when it comes to how great these workshops are. Loads of the students that came to my workshops last year have said how much they loved them and have gone on to achieve the very highest grades in their exams at the end. So let's hear from them.
I came here expecting to earn and gain the best knowledge, the secrets, the tips, everything I wanted to know about economics. And coming out of this, I believe that I could smash this. And it's all down to Dal.
I had the most useful and productive weekend ever learning economics. Dal is an amazing teacher and his compassion and attention to detail is outstanding.
I definitely recommend EconplusDal's Mastery Workshop. It's been a great experience and I feel much more confident than I was before I did the workshop, and I feel the A-star.
If you want to get your grade from an average grade to a top grade, Dal's the man.
So you can see that these workshops are the highest quality revision events, better than anything else out there, and priced at only £30 a day to make sure that as many of you as possible can attend. And for what you guys will be getting in this workshop, that is an absolute bargain. When the workshop is finished, you'll be feeling so confident in what you can achieve in your exams, regardless of where you might be with your current economic study. It really is a must attend. But there is very limited capacity at these workshop venues, so you've got to make sure that you are super fast in booking your place. Do it right now. And I'm not just saying that. Last year my workshop sold out within a month of this announcement. So make sure that you're not turned away like many students were last year. Make sure you avoid any disappointments and book your place straight away. Do it right now. But my recommendation is make sure you book as a group of friends. Come together with your friends. You'll enjoy the workshops this way, and it will also mean that travel and accommodation is so much easier to sort out. And to book your place is so simple. You just need to go on my website, EconplusDal.com, click on the services page and you'll be done in no time. You'll also be able to get my analysis and evaluation packs from there and my examples for exams pack. Super simple stuff, get it done right now. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I really hope to be meeting you very soon as we revise economics together.